So we're gonna take these ordinary potatoes and we are going to make potato salad. But because I can't leave well enough alone, it's not just an ordinary potato salad. We're gonna load it up with things like bacon and cheese and some other stuff too.
Ultimate bacon potato salad is what I call it. So let's start with the bacon. Cut a ½ pound into 1/2 inch chunks and throw it into a frying pan over medium-high heat. Stir it around a bit from time to time to keep it cooking evenly and from sticking together. Once it's browned and crisp, remove it from the pan and let it drain on paper towels. Next, rinse and cut the potatoes into 1/2 inch pieces and put them in a large bowl. Nope, we aren't boiling them, we're gonna roast the potatoes. Drizzle them with olive oil and mix it around to coat the pieces evenly. Sprinkle on the salt, celery salt, onion and garlic powders, black pepper, and chipotle chili powder. Stir that all around to coat the potatoes evenly and then spread them out on a well-greased, foil-lined sheet pan. About 15 minutes later, they come out of the oven browned and beautifully seasoned, which you just can't get with boiled potatoes. While they cool to room temp, separate the hard-boiled eggs, roughly chopping the whites and mashing the yolks with a fork. Then, combine the cooled potatoes with the egg yolks, whites, the sour cream, mayo, scallions, shredded cheese, and apple cider vinegar. Give that a good stir to combine everything really well, and then add in the bacon and stir again. When you're ready to serve, top it with a few pieces of crispy bacon and a few scallions.
So just let the potato salad chill through in the refrigerator before digging in, or you could even make it a day ahead so that the flavors really start to marry. It's fantastic with anything you're gonna pull off the grill, and my personal favorite is barbecue chicken.
You can find this recipe for Ultimate Bacon Potato Salad at homewithshay.com. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.